Hi, I'm Dan, and this is Fix Auto Leicester. We are based on a 15-acre old farm. As you can see, we've used the existing farmhouse, converted it into our offices. Let's take you into reception. So this is reception, and this is where the customers are first greeted by the ladies on the front and where their journey begins. So I'll take you through to the panel shop, which is the first stage of the vehicle repair. So this is the panel shop. This is where the first stage of repair begins. So the vehicles come in here and get repaired, ready for paint shop, and then they move on to the next stage. So this is the paint shop. So obviously after the vehicles have all been stripped and repaired, they make their way into the paint shop where they are prepped and painted. So in here we have 2 spray booths and obviously a mixing room where all the paint's mixed on site. So through the journey here, prepped, painted, polished, and then they'll return into the panel shop for refit. So after paint shop stage is complete, they make their way back into refit for everything to be put back together, and then ultimately end up here at end of line at QC. So anything that a completed vehicle would make its way into this area to go through quality control, and any ADAS that we have needed is also done in this unit. There is a commercial oven at the back, which is a bit of an extension onto the paint shop for any commercial vehicles that we need to be doing. But yeah, ultimately this is end of line. So that was Fix Auto Leicester. I've taken you on a brief tour of the site. I hope you've enjoyed it.